Hi everybody, my name is Dimon Johansson, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the maturity of a file on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Start by locating the file on the platform and then click on the arrow in the lower right corner pointing downwards. Select Open With and More Apps. We will use the collaborative lifecycle application to change the maturity. You can either browse for it or search for it. Once you open the application, you can see that all the different revisions of the file are listed there. You can also see the different maturity states that you can change for the file. If you click on either of the transition, you will actively update the maturity of the file. So if we click on Frozen, we can see that the maturity state is now frozen for Universal Joint Revision C1.